Alright guys, welcome back to the channel. Today I have a couple hours before I have to go to work, and I'm going to try to take apart this van. I don't know if I showed you guys the damage on this van. The front was obviously all intact. The roof is what took most of the damage right here. Basically rolled over, hit the roof. The door, I don't know how the door and the fender survived. Just kind of weird, but hey, it worked out for me just fine. So now what I have to do is I removed everything that I need from the front already. So now what I need to do is remove things from the inside. On my other van, where the damage was, it was right here, you guys remember, and the dash was pretty much bent in this area. And the plastic was messed up. The airbags, both airbags went. So what I need to do is obviously remove all the panels here, because I need to get the bar, the reinforcement bar underneath. And to get to it is going to be a pain in the butt, but it's alright, I got to do it, got to get it done. And then once I remove everything that I need, I'm gonna put this back on auction. Somebody is gonna buy it, I'm sure. It runs and drives. Basically, somebody will just have to find a donor for the roof and the side panel, or if they want to, they can just cut off the whole section right here and put a box on it, so it'll be like a box fan. People do that. I mean, anything is possible. People pay money for anything that runs and drives. So I think I paid, if I remember correctly, I think I paid around $60 to $100 for this one. So maybe if I put it back on auction, maybe I'll get, I don't know, four and a half. I guess we'll see when it sells, we'll see what I get. Let's remove all the panels that I need, get to the bar. I'll try to do as much as I can today before work, and then I'll finish up tomorrow if I can. Alright, so let's go ahead and get this done. Ready? here's where I'm at right now on the van. All the parts laying around in the yard all over the place. I'll try to organize them the best I could. Just kind of put them on the same side where it should go. I think I'll figure it out. So I got the dash. Out. That took a little bit of work, but it is what it is. So now I gotta move the wiring out of the way, remove the shifter, remove the steering wheel, and then I'll be able to remove the bar and also the heater as well, because that heater was busted. So I'll put the heater there as well. So it's going pretty good. It's just a lot of little things here and there, and I'm trying to keep track of everything the best I could. So I'm gonna run to work real quick, do a quick shift, and then I'll be back and get this done. So give me just 1 second. So right now I'm gonna try to do is remove most of the wiring, shifter. I'm gonna see if I can get to the steering column, and then pretty much free up everything around the bar, so I can pretty much unbolt it and put it back into the other van right there. If I can start assembling the other van tomorrow, that would be pretty awesome, so I could finish the other van this week, maybe this weekend. So we'll see. All right, well, let's continue on this project. Alright, the bar is finally out. The reinforcement bar is out. So let's now compare the two bars together. See how they look. So here are the bars together. The top one has a slight tilt up. So yeah, that'll be it for this video, and tomorrow I'll be installing everything back into the van. So now I just gotta remember which parts go where, and do everything pretty much backwards how I did from the other van. And this is why I do videos sometimes, just so I can kind of reference back to something, so I can see how it was installed, how I removed it, in which order. Kind of helps out a little bit. So once again, guys, thanks for watching. Subscribe, and I have another video coming up soon. All right, see you.